If you're an artist that plans on working any type of event, I want to introduce you to a display that's not only going to show off your art beautifully, but also help you generate more sales. It's the workhorse of my art displays, and it's this folding display rack. The reason having one of these folding displays is a must for any artist that plans on selling is you're generally going to display your art on a wall, which is further away from your customers or viewers. When you have one of these folding displays, it allows the viewer and or soon-to-be customer to get up close and personal with your art. They can flip through all the different types of art that you are offering. It gets them up close, it gets them personal, and it allows them to appreciate all the small details and hard work that you put into your art, helping to validate the prices you are charging. Now, the reason I like this type of stand is it's lightweight, portable, folds flat. When you open it up, it can accommodate bigger art pieces like the 16 by 20 inch art pieces you see here, but also can handle smaller, flatter prints easily. Now, I recommend make sure that you put art prints in here, not original artwork, because things can get damaged when customers flip through them. I also recommend having chipboard in front of each individual piece of art and after every individual piece of art to help protect your art. And if you want an awesome tip for anybody out there that gets one of these racks, is I actually recommend that you cellophane wrap the bottom corners of your art because that can rub on the fabric and sometimes rub off certain things. The cellophane wrap will protect. The awesome thing about this folding stand is it comes in at 3 different sizes: mini, medium or standard, and jumbo or XL. The name changes depending on which marketplace you're buying from, and they generally range anywhere from $30 all the way up to $65. The one I have is the medium or standard one, and I've had it for a number of years and I've taken it to over 25 different shows. And let me tell you, I wouldn't do any art shows without it because it does help me close a lot of sales. If you're an artist that's just starting to sell your artwork and you're kind of lost, I got you covered. Take a look at my new book that helps you turn your passion into a profit. It's worth its weight in gold if you plan on selling your art today. Once you start selling your art, you actually have to learn how to pack and ship it, which is why I recommend you check out this video over to my side that goes over how to get your shipments safely to their new destination. I'll check you out all in that video and I'll see you all later. Take care, and of course, peace.